are some of the hills that we go up and down here in Highway 250. They just repaved the road, and as you can tell by the sign, it's a 8% grade right here. So it's time to downshift. Put on the Jake brake. See the Amish sign right there? Well, there was an Amish sign right there. Anyways, you go down this, it's really not 8%. This hill right here doesn't seem bad, but literally when you climb this next hill, you can see the farmland over there. It's really pretty here. It's like rolling hills, besides the